Speeding up client deliverables with AI writing tools is easier than you might think. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how using the right AI software can drastically cut down the time it takes to create high-quality content. I've tried all the popular tools, and I'll reveal the one I recommend you use. Plus, I've got a special exclusive free trial just for you in the description below. When you're juggling multiple client projects, time is your most precious resource. AI writing tools can help you streamline the process, whether you're creating blog posts, social media captions, email newsletters, or product descriptions. The key is to make sure you're using the right software that fits your workflow and boosts your productivity without compromising quality. Let's start with understanding how AI can help. The right software allows you to generate content quickly, saving you hours on research and writing. Instead of starting from scratch, you can input basic ideas or prompts, and the software will generate content based on those, giving you a solid draft to work with. This means less time spent staring at a blank page, and more time spent refining your deliverables. But it's not just about saving time on writing. AI writing tools also help with consistency, tone, and style. You can set parameters for the voice and style you want, and the software will adapt accordingly. This is especially helpful when you're working with multiple clients and need to maintain distinct voices for each one. By using AI, you can produce content that aligns with your client's needs without having to rework everything manually. Let's dive into the software we'll be using today. This software is packed with features that help you generate content quickly, edit for grammar, and even adjust tone, all in one place. It's also versatile enough to handle a variety of content types, from long-form articles to short ad copy. And because it's powered by AI, it learns over time, getting better at understanding the context and nuances of your work. Now, here's the best part. If you want to follow along, you can grab the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. In terms of workflow, start by inputting your main ideas or key points into the software. It will generate a first draft, and from there, you can tweak and adjust to fit your client's specific needs. It's that easy. For example, if you need a blog post, the AI can help you with an outline, headlines, and even suggest ways to break up the content. You can then fine-tune it to match your client's brand voice, but you don't have to rely on the software for everything. It's great for speeding up the writing process, but remember, AI is a tool. The real value comes from combining AI's efficiency with your expertise and creativity. Don't be afraid to add your personal touch to the content. It's still your work after all. The key takeaway here is that AI writing tools can seriously speed up your client deliverables. They save you time, ensure consistency, and improve your workflow. The main points to remember: start by inputting your ideas, let the AI draft for you, adjust for tone and style, and then refine the content. It's a quick and efficient way to get more done in less time. Before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's the perfect way to see how this software can work for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.